I have a lot of pride in the experience that we provide our patients with. I've been placing implants since 2006, placed over 1,000 of implants. We have extensive training in implantology. I've received a fellowship, mastership, and diplomate status now with the American Board of Oral Implantology. That is only held by very few doctors across the world. There's just over 500 doctors that have this credentialing in implantology. I feel like I'm a lifelong learner, and implantology, the field is changing so rapidly to stay on top of the most current research and articles that are available so we can provide our patients world-class care in our practice. We provide IV sedation options to our patients, so our patients are very comfortable through the procedure. Most of our patients don't even remember the procedure that we've completed for them. We understand patients have a lot of anxiety when they're considering a potentially invasive procedure like dental implant surgery, and so we try to make it as comfortable as possible for them. We try to provide them with sound solutions and predictable solutions, but also solutions that they're going to be able to have fixed teeth as quickly as possible is our goal that we try to maintain in each patient that we take care of. We take a lot of pride in providing our patients both aspects of the treatment, whether it be the implant placement, but also the actual teeth that they go home with. So the responsibility falls on one clinician. If there's something that is not correct or needs to be revised, it's an easy solution. I'm able to provide both those options to those patients. We're able to stand behind the surgical aspects of our care as well as the aesthetic results and the prosthetic solutions we provide our patients. So if patients are interested in learning more about what we can provide them, we invite you to visit our website or give our office a call and schedule either a virtual consultation or an in-person consultation appointment with our practice. Well, I look forward to meeting you and providing you a smile that you deserve.